How to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways that can help you fix your highlights not working on Instagram problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Play Store first and make sure that your Instagram is updated. At the top search bar, type in Instagram. If you see update sign here, tap on update. Once you have updated your app, tap open it and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now to fix your problem, tap onto your profile on your bottom right, then tap on three bar icon on your top right. Here as you do so, you can see under how you use Instagram, there is an option that says archive. Tap onto it. As you do so, you will be able to see all of your stories archive. If you don't see it here, just make sure that you are on stories archive instead of post archive. Now as you do so, tap on three dot icon on your top right and tap on settings. At this page, make sure that you have toggled on this button that says Save Story to Archive. As you do so, all the stories that you have added will be automatically saved to your archive, so you don't have to save it to your phone. Only you can see your archive, so make sure that you have toggled this on. Just like so, now you can go ahead and search for your highlights. This shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.